up with another video. Just wanted to get you guys an update on this guy, my dream machine. She's all working fine. Yeah, I just recently updated it to 1.8, which is the most recent version according to the Ubiquiti downloads page. And it does do a lot of fixes. So yeah. But I ran into one issue where when I originally downloaded it, this guy right here was not actually flashing. I did not get any activity light whatsoever and all that stuff. So I thought it was just a bad cable. Replaced the cable, moved it as well. Thought it was overheating, but it ended up being that after a whole bunch of trial and errors, it ended up being the software causing the issue. So I had to restart it and everything. Thought that would help. Didn't do anything. Re-downloaded it back to this previous version. Didn't help either. Didn't re-update it itself. Somebody on Reddit actually was able to figure this out. So what you would do is go to the Dream Machine, go to its settings, or no, it's ports, my bad. It's ports. There's the WAN ports. So instead of it having it being auto negotiation, force it to be 1000 duplex, and it should get up and running. I had it where it was glitching where I got the activity light and it shows it to be green on here, but my computer and everything was not actually able to access the internet. Just thought I would give you guys a little helpful information video, and see you guys next time.